Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the actual assets and opening Reality Composer so you can import without interruption. Start a new project or open a scene tied to an anchor. Choose a horizontal, vertical, or image-based anchor depending on your use. Make sure your 3D files are exported as USTs for best compatibility, or prepare GLTF/OBJ plus textures. Once in the project, open the library panel and locate the import command, so you can bring assets directly into your scene. Now you import and immediately verify how the model appears in the scene. Drag your USTs or GLTF file into the viewport or use File Import. Watch the import dialog for scale and material choices and change them if needed. Once imported, select the model and set position, rotation, and scale using both gizmos and numeric fields so placement is exact. Then group related parts, add behaviors like animations or triggers, and enable physics or collision if interaction is required. Finish by testing your scene in AR and exporting the final asset package. Tap AR Preview to view placement and interactions on device. Export a reality file for integration with Xcode if you need an app bundle. Make performance tweaks like lowering polygon count, baking or resizing textures, and compressing images so the scene runs smoothly. If something goes wrong, check the file format and normals, re-export as USTs, and clear Reality Composer caches before re-importing to resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.